I recently purchased this travel skincare kit from Round Lab. I was really excited to try this brand. I have been really into skincare, especially Korean skincare lately, and I've heard a lot of good things, but I didn't want to fully commit to full-size products because skincare, can last a long time. So I want to make sure I like it. I like this kit. It includes a cleanser, the toner, the ampoule. I'm not really sure what that is. I'm guessing it's like I don't know, I'll have to look that up. And the moisturizing cream. And you get a good amount to try for each one. Okay, so I've taken off my makeup because I really want to try these products without my makeup on. And so I have clean face for the most part. And first I was going to try the cleanser. The consistency looks just like a gel-based cleanser. Doesn't really have a scent, which I like, actually. Lathers up pretty good. It feels really nice. Pretty gentle. I'm gonna finish washing this. So I just finished washing with the cleanser. It felt really nice. I don't feel like it stripped my skin at all. It feels real gentle. Oops, I gotta get a little bit off there. Felt good. Next, I'm gonna use the toner. I like to put mine on a cotton ball to try it. It's just like regular toner. I'm not going to use a lot just because I'm trying it. Again, doesn't have a scent, which I like. If there is one, I'm not smelling it. Feels good. I like to fan after my toner just to dry it a little bit. And I looked up what ampoule is. Ampoule? It's a fancy word for serum, which they could have said that. So I got the serum. This is the birch root, sap. That's the main ingredient in this, which I thought was just so interesting. Comes out good. Feels good. Again, no overwhelming scent, which I'm really sensitive to, scent on my face, so I really appreciate that. Again, I'm going to use my little fan. Good. I like that. The serum alone is not moisturizing enough. You still need that moisturizing, but it feels good. Doesn't burn or anything. And then I have the moisturizing cream. Again, birch root juice. Nice, this comes out. Looks nice. Again, no scent. Oh, that feels good. Light. Not too heavy, not too overpowering, but it does feel really moisturizing. So that was the 4 products in this kit. The cleanser, toner, serum, and cream. Feels good.